Question 6. Convert the linear equation 12x plus 3 over 2y equals 268 into general linear form and identify its constant. Okay, so now, what is general linear form? Okay, general linear form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, what is A, B, and C are integers. Okay, so now we have 12x plus 3 over 2y equals 268. Okay, because we have the fraction 3 over 2, so we need to multiply the equation by the denominator 2. So we multiply by 2. So we have here 24x plus 3y equals to 336. Okay, then we have 24x plus 3y minus 336 equals to 0. Okay, then by comparison we have ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then what is A? A is 24. Okay, what is B? B is 3. Then C is negative 336. Question 6. Convert the linear equation y equals to 3 over 5x minus 2 over 3 into general linear form and identify its constant. Okay, what is general linear form? Okay, general linear form is ax plus 3y plus c equals to 0. Okay, where a, b, and c are integers. Okay, so we have here y equals to 3 over 5x minus 2 over 3. Okay, then we have here the fraction 3 over 5 and negative 2 over 3. So we need to multiply this equation by the denominator 5 and 3. So we multiply by 15. Okay, so here we have 15y equals to 15 times 3 over 5x minus 15 times 2 over 3. So we have here 15y equals to 9x minus 10. Okay, then negative 9x plus 15y plus 10 equals to 0. By comparison, we have ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we have a equals to negative 9. Okay, where b equals to 15 and c